Luoyang EFANT Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company Limited, company with brand EFANT, is professional in researching and producing high-precision cross-roller bearings, rotary table bearings, harmonic reducer bearings, and non-standard bearings located in Luoyang City, China. Benefits from Luoyang's unique bearing industry foundation. Our company has established a complete quality management system. Our main products are RB, RA, CRBH, SX, RU, XU, XSU series crossed cylindrical roller bearings, XR, JXR crossed tapered roller bearings, YRT, YRTS, ZKLDF series rotary table bearings. Many models are bulk in stock. Diameter range from 20 mm to 2,000 mm. All products are produced by advanced CNC machines and 100% inspected. The precision class are P5, P4, and P2. Warranty is 12 months. Our products has high precision, high rigidity, high load capacity. Widely used in industrial robot, machining center, precision rotary table, indexing head, grinding machine, honing machine, aerospace, medical equipment, measuring instruments, and IC manufacturing machines, etc. fields. With create values for customers, let customers succeed mission. We insist on openness, professionalism, responsibility to provide excellent service. 24 hours, 7 days online technical service to help customer bearing choosing and guide customer on bearing installation and adjustment. Our products were exported to USA, Sweden, United Kingdom, Russia, Korea, Thailand, German, etc. countries and enjoyed a great reputation.